Princess Lucio, and I haven't made any videos in a while because it was the holidays for me. And next year I am going to year 2, and tomorrow I'm gonna see my year 2 teacher, and welcome back to my video. If you're new, you can subscribe and hit the YouTube button, and I'm gonna teach you how to make a volcano, this tiny volcano explode. First you need to get some baking soda and a little bit of water, and then put the baking soda in carefully. And then put the water in slowly. And then watch it explode. Mom, look at this! Mom, look! Look at this! Volcano explosion.
Very good.
Baking. Subscribe for this video. See you next time. Bye.